We've been here in Greenville since 1999. We're part of a family-owned dealership group that's been around since the 1960s. I started off in the car business. It was family business for me. You know, my dad is Steve White, and I got started in the business. I mean, my first job in the car business was mowing grass. And, I transitioned into selling cars when I was in college, and I'd come home in the summertime and sell cars, and then moved into different roles in the dealership, but ultimately ended up here at the Volkswagen dealership as the general manager.
I came to Greenville at the beginning of 2019 with an opportunity to work here at Steve White Volkswagen, and it's really been great. We have been able to grow some of the volume, we've been able to increase our sales staff, and really been able to bring customer service to some of the highest levels we've ever had. Being South Carolina's largest Volkswagen new car dealer allows us to have inventory in stock for our customers, and also allows us to take in trade-ins, so our pre-owned inventory is large as well.
I think having an owner on site is kind of a unique thing in the car business. I mean, you've got like a corporate structure, or you've got like a dealership like us where you got the owner right here. I think that's a little unique in the sense that it allows a customer, somebody to go to, an advocate for them that knows everybody in the dealership, that can get things done. If there's ever any kind of problem, we are not afraid to give our cell phone numbers out in our dealership.
Customers can come in, we can do everything electronically, whether they're here or at home or on the road. What used to take a lot of paper and a lot of time now is all done digitally, whether it's on your cell phone or your laptop or your home computer or even your iPad.
I would say in my 20 years with the brand that this is the most exciting time. We have really solid product, really solid people and processes, and then the investment that Volkswagen corporately, as well as our dealership, is making in the future is really exciting, with electrification of vehicles and just the overall product lineup. I mean, it's just never been better.
I'd like to personally invite anyone that's in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle to come in and experience what Steve White Volkswagen has to offer.